birthday. My wish for you is good health, and very more birthday, Ate Ning. I miss you so much, Ate Ning.
Happy birthday, Ning! Oh.
Happy birthday, Auntie! Upos!
Happy birthday po, Mama Ning. Stay healthy po and more blessings to come.
Hi, Mama Ning! Happy birthday po! Sana lagi kayong healthy, lagi kayong happy. Yun ang lagi naming prayers na lagi kayong ligtas dyan sa Davao. Love na love ka namin gaya ng kung gaano mo kami kamahal. At salamat sa lahat-lahat. Wish you all the best in life. Always healthy, always happy, always jolly. I love you po. Happy birthday!
Hello, Mama Neng. Miss ka na namin. Balik na kami dyan bukas. Anyway, happy 60th birthday to you. Enjoy your Disney princess life today. Ngayon, bukas at magpakailanman. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Mama Neng. At lagi ka naway ingatan ng ating Panginoon. Miss you.
Happy birthday, Mama Neng. We miss you and we love you. Always stay healthy.
Happy birthday po, Mama Neng. Ingat ka po dyan palagi. I love you. Mama.
Hi, Mama Neng. Happy birthday and salamat sa mga payo, gabay, pag-aalaga mo sa amin. Wish more birthday to come and good health. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Mama Neng! Happy 60th birthday! Ayan na, 60 ka na. Ito yung araw na nakakaintay mo kasi sabi mo nga, ay magkakaroon ka na ng discount, no? Ayan. Mama Neng, thank you po sa lahat-lahat ng ginawa mo for us, sa lahat ng mga magagandang bagay na naituro mo sa amin. May the Lord God bless you always. I wish you all the best in life. May you find happiness and joy every day. And we love you.
Happy birthday, Mama Neng. We love you.
Happy birthday, my dear sister. Stay beautiful. Hope you're always healthy, good health always, more blessings, more birthday celebration to come, and God bless us all.
On the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkled moon dust in your